Hello everyone, in this video I want to show a little bit of how it's Speechelo. Speechelo is one of the best text-to-speech voices that I have found here on the internet so far. And here I'm going to show you, basically it's really simple, and the platform already has here the different amount of languages. We can go from Arab, Chinese, French, German, Spanish, and also Indian languages. To listen a little bit more about the language and going straight forward, the main language that I use is this one, Andrew. So let's listen. I will you can actually just write here whatever text that you want. Hello, I'm Andrew. This is a text-to-speech voice from Speechelo. So we just can type here down. We will have the amount of characters that we have available. So if you have the normal Speechelo plan, you will have less than 20,000 characters. But if you upgrade to Speechelo Pro, this is one of the advantages, that you have more available characters. And if you exceed the amount of characters, you can just redo the text and just join the text in the generated voices. So let's listen here the pre-voice.
Hello, I am Andrew. This is a text-to-speech voice. I am from Speechelo.
This is a preview.
So we just listen this voice. Actually, if we select any other of these voices, actually those are the ones that I actually still think that are very robotic.
Hello, I am Andrew. This is a text-to-speech voice. I am from Speechelo. This is a preview.
So in comparison to an artificial intelligence and the standard voice, here you can even make some changes, but I prefer to stick to the AI voice. It's even better in my opinion. So we can just generate here the voice, and if we generate the two voices, we can do the mix here so that we can combine in case that we have more files or more text here, and we just here click play.
Hello, I am Andrew. This is a text-to-speech voice. I am from Speechelo. Today is a sunny day.
And as we have listened, it had mixed the two texts. So in case that you have a very large amount of text, you can just simply mix the two tracks and you can easily combine. So this was Speechelo, the English voices. So I hope that this video helped you to listen how Speechelo sounds on the English voice. If you want to listen the Spanish, German, Italian, or Portuguese voices, you can watch other videos that I already done. Thanks for watching.